2018 Toyota Highlander cabin air filter replacement. Yes, we'll be dropping the glove box down. There's a tang on each side. Ugh. Ugh. This fits in the little notches here. Cabin air filter comes out. Directional, it just tells us this side up apparently. Let's put the other one back in. The new one, this will snap into place. It also says up. Little fingers here. Snap into place. Customer actually did this and the seal came out from somewhere, I don't know where. The glove box. Just gonna squeeze these together. Not very hard, and then this will slide off. All right, slide this right on there. Just need to pull in on each side to get these to get past. You just squeeze that and pull it off. And you just push in. On both sides to remove the glove box. That's it. Cabin air filter replacement 2018 Toyota Highlander. Good luck to you.